Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 22nd, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we just had an unbelievably great day today. Uh, I am so happy. If you follow my stuff on a daily basis, we did not have a very good week last week, and it was getting kind of discouraging. And we canceled out all those losses from last week and added some very big profits to our bottom line today. First of all, the Dow um, opened lower, and then it just climbed and climbed all day, and you can see this huge amount of buying right in the last 15 minutes there in the Dow. That's the perfect kind of pattern for us, because what we end up doing is we're buying all day and the market keeps moving higher and higher, and that really benefits us. And boy, did it benefit us today. First of all, we had on Friday about $3,000 and some change in our open trade equity. That was positive, but we ended up closing out over $15,000 in profits from that. So we saw $3,000 grow to over $15,000 in terms of our closed out trades. But that wasn't the real news. On this rally that went on all day, we got into 20 positions. 20 positions, 18 of them were positive, and only 2 are negative. I mean, this was a day like nothing went wrong. Nothing we could do was wrong. Everything went in our favor, and we are carrying, unbelievably, over $48,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So yeah, this is we closed out over $15,000 profit. We're carrying over $48,000 going in tomorrow. It doesn't get better than that, folks. That's just absolutely unbelievable. I have so many trades. I'd be here all night showing them to you, but I will show 3 of them. And let's see, the first one. This was one that we got out of today that contributed to that $15,000 in profit. This is Frontier Communications Corporation, and we had bought this on Friday about midday. It closed slightly profitable. Didn't look like much. Look at this thing. It just screamed. First 15 minutes it screamed, and then we get out here on a little more pump, and we take out $5,200 out of Frontier Communications. That was a nice trade. Then this is one of those that we got into today, and this is pretty unbelievable. This is Array Biopharma Incorporated, ARRY, and we had this huge, humongous gap this morning. But we don't play this opening range. I mean, this thing was in the stars the first 15 minutes, but we hold back and buy after 30 minutes, and we ended up buying basically, it looks like the low tick a day in this, and then it just screamed the rest of the day. We ended up here carrying $5,100 in open trade in Array Biopharma. And then it's to say I have a dozen trades I could show you here, but the last one I'm going to show you was our biggest trade, and we're still in it. This is Sorrento Therapeutics, and we bought this thing right on almost on the close on Friday, just jump in there right at the end of the day. And then this morning, again, like a couple of those other stocks that just screamed the first 15 minutes and then settled down a little, basically trended sideways the rest of the day. But we're holding over $12,000 in Sorrento Therapeutics. Fabulous, really great trade. So again, we close out over 15,000 and carrying 48,000, over 48,000 going into tomorrow. Should be interesting tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.